The micro DeBEE should be primed when the inlet reservoir is filled for the first time, or when the inlet reservoir has run empty and air was allowed to enter the system. To do this, first fill the inlet reservoir with water or the product to be processed. Then, open the priming valve. To do this, loosen the priming valve's hex gland with a 13/16" wrench. Then one full turn to the left. You then want to place the open ends of the two discharge tubes into a suitable container. Then turn the air regulator clockwise until the air pressure is at 10 psi. After doing this, turn the on-off valve to the on position.